It began with a single step, into the forest. What seemed like an ordinary hike became the spark for one of the most revolutionary ideas of the 20th century. In the foothills of Switzerland, an engineer named George de Mestral noticed something strange clinging stubbornly to his trousers. Tiny burrs locked into the fibers as if nature had built them for this very purpose. Back in his workshop, curiosity took over. Under a magnifying glass, those burrs revealed their secret: microscopic hooks, gripping onto loops with unshakable determination. He began to draw, not just what he saw, but what it could become. Nature had written the blueprint. He would bring it to the modern world. Cotton, wool, linen, nothing matched the grip of the burr. Trial after trial, stitch after stitch, the dream was still out of reach. Days turned into weeks. Failures stacked higher than the samples on his workbench. But every no brought him closer to the one yes that would change everything. The answer came in synthetic nylon, strong, flexible, and capable of forming hooks just like nature's own. 2 strips, one with hooks, one with loops. Together, they clung with unstoppable force. The first rip of Velcro was like thunder in a silent room, the sound of an idea made real.
Step right up,
By the
gentlemen,
1960s,
and witness
Velcro
the
was fastening
future of
shoes,
fastening.
securing jackets, and making everyday life just
Velcro.
easier. Even NASA took notice. In the weightlessness of space, Velcro became a lifeline, holding tools, equipment, and order itself in place. From sports fields to hospital wards, from hiking trails to your own living room, Velcro became the fastener of choice. All of it because one man stopped to wonder why burrs stuck to his pants. Nature showed him the way. He gave the world a new way to stick together. Velcro, born in the forest, living in every corner of our lives. If you enjoyed this journey through invention, stick around and subscribe for more stories that shaped our world.